Welcome to Mickey Pop, where happy rhymes never stop.
A is for apple, shiny and red, rolling and bouncing right under the bed. B is for bear, soft and sweet, hug him tight, what a treat. C is for cloud, floating high, shaped like a bunny in the sky. D is for duck, who loves to quack, splashing around then paddling back. E is for elephant, big and strong, swinging his trunk and humming a song. F is for firefly, tiny and bright, blinking and twinkling all through the night. G is for giraffe, so tall and kind, reaching the leaves that others can't find. G is for giraffe, so tall and kind, reaching the leaves that others can't find. H is for hat, big and round, whoosh, the wind blows it off the ground. I is for igloo, made of snow, cold on the outside, warm below. J is for jelly, wiggly fun, shiny and sweet in the summer sun. K is for kite, flying free, dancing and dipping above the tree. L is for ladybug, tiny and bright, spots on her wings, what a sight. M is for moon, glowing above, watching us dream with a wink of love. N is for nest, safe and small, holding 3 eggs that wobble and fall. O is for owl, wise and grand, hooting softly across the land. P is for panda, munching bamboo, soft and cuddly, just like you. Q is for queen with her shiny crown, smiling brightly all through town. R is for rain, gentle and sweet, pitter-pat songs on the window seat. S is for star, twinkling far, shining softly where dreamers appel. T is for train, chugging away, all aboard, it seems to say. U is for umbrella, bright and wide, keeping us dry on the rainy side. V is for valley, green and deep, where the rabbits love to leap. W is for whale, splashing in blue, singing songs just for you. X is for silo, a xylophone bright, playing rainbow music day and night. Y is for yawn, time for bed, dreams are waiting inside your head. Z is for zebra, black and white, whispering softly, good night, good night.